Okay, so let's just get right into these test cases for sublist design. Okay, so here we have our test case for an empty array. As we can see here, that's going to be all right because even though the array doesn't have any elements in it, it's still nothing wrong with it. So, and as you can see, that's going to pass the test, so it's all good. Here we have just one thing in the list. You can see it's 42. It's passed, all organized. We have a small array, so it's just 1 through 5. Looks like everything is all good there, including the duplicates. Awesome. We have a large array, so I put it with 50 numbers, and we got a ton of different numbers here. Looks like all of them are in order. Next, we have an array specifically designed for duplicates here. So here we got a huge list, and it's got a lot of duplicates here. So everything looks good there. And then how is it going to handle when it's all in the same element? It's just going to display the same thing. So, yep, that's all good there. Here I decided just to do with large numbers just to see if all that was going to work all right. And looks like it did. Here we have, yep, in order there, go on to 3 digits. That's all good, 4 digits, and then finally a big 5-digit number. And yeah, so it looks like everything's working all good there. Got our test cases, everything's looking good. And the test cases are good. Um, and yeah, so this is a good way of looking to make sure that everything's right, it's working well. I've go over multiple different scenarios and that everything's in working order.